Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So you guys, I'm back in my bedroom again and I'm just not having peace. Alana walked in one day and she was very slow in her movements and she said, guess you're not at peace. It's amazing how your children know you and they know when you start doing things that your spirit is just not, well, it's grieved for whatever reason. I can tell you exactly what the problem is. It is my filming space that really does bother me. As I walked into the bedroom, you should have been able to see that there were a ton of cords and lights and all of the things. And I just don't love that look. It just bothers me. I know a lot of people have the extra lighting and the big lights. My personality simply cannot handle all of that. And so I have to be able to figure out a system that is going to help me work it out without having all of those lights and things visible to everybody that walks in. Of course, just me and my kids, but I don't love it. I want my bedroom to be a sanctuary for me and my children, and it doesn't feel like that right now. It feels overrun or overwhelmed with YouTube stuff. I honestly, too, though, like to change my room around, and I was looking on some Facebook memories from, I think it was a couple of years ago during the pandemic, and I saw how my bedroom was then, and I really did like that. It's not been this way in a very long time. So I thought, let me try to recreate, how it was a couple of years ago, because it was very warm and cozy, with the exception of one difference. I will not have a desk space in this room. And a lot of you have asked me, why don't I get sliders? Right now, the bed is on concrete, so it's very difficult to slide it. And of course, I was home by myself. The children were not home at this time, so I was doing it alone. That's why it appears that it is a little bit challenging, but we got it all done. With that being said, we have animals, and animals are on the bed, which I'm about to change this. They life about to get real switched up. And so I need to make the bed, and then of course I do roll it. We use a long-handled extension roller that I got from, I think I got it from Target years ago. I have a similar one I got from Target. This one I got from Amazon. I don't like this pole because it's a little flimsier than the other one that I got at Target, but I can get those refills on Amazon. So this was an extra one. I was trying to have multiples because, pet hair just gets everywhere, and I don't love that. And I want to make sure that I am well able to get the hair out of any places that it tries to hide. So anywho, I like the bed alongside of this wall. It makes that space on the other side by the little bookshelf there a little bit more cozy, warm and cozy for me. And so this is how I'm going to set it up for the time being. What it does is provides me a way to not have my back to the door, so I'm able to see anyone coming in or out. And then I'm also able to do my filming in just that one little corner space without actually showing the entire bedroom, because it's not necessary for the filming. I am moving my little bookshelf. I don't have bedside tables beside the bed, which is perfectly fine. It's just one more space to hold junk. But I do like to have my books near where I'm sitting, or if I'm, in the bed. And the one other fun thing that I really found with having this faux sleigh bed, because I know some people will say it's not a sleigh bed, it's not real. I like that my dresser is just the exact dimensions that it can fit inside of the sleigh part without any overhang. And so I do like having the dresser at the end of the bed, because that also allows me to have the TV closer to the bed. Now, I don't watch a ton of TV, but if I do want to watch a show or something, I do like having that good access. In order that I can put the dresser at the end of the bed, I am having to move this cabinet to the other side. I keep all of my jewelry here, but I'm going to be rethinking that because I'm just not a stuff person. I don't need to see my stuff. If you follow Cass over at Clutterbug, she does her bug tests. I am a cricket. I can have piles of things until I'm ready to deal with the piles, but I do not need to see my things. I love, love, love bins and baskets and all the other stuff. I like it all put away, tucked away somewhere private where it is not visible to the open naked eye. And as you can see, there's a visibly naked dog. She is not wearing her collar right now. She is having a little bit of itch problems. We think it's an allergy to her food. She just had a bout with an ear infection, and so she does have her collar on in this one. I thought I had taken it off. Jackson must have put it back on, or maybe I put it back on. Anywho, I was able to get that cabinet moved, and now I am moving the dresser. The dresser moves extremely easy, and like I said, it fits right within the inside of the bottom of that faux sleigh, so that worked out real well, where it's not hanging over or anything like that, and I'm not having to worry about bumping my leg or something, or anything of that nature. I saw this on TikTok, I think, where a girl had her dress at the end of her bed, and she had her TV there. So in order to plug the TV up, which the plug or the outlet is on the wall behind the bed, we just used a super long extension cord. I had Jackson to plug it in when he got home. But that cord on the bed right there is too short, so I changed it. But here is the bed. We still don't have the floors yet, but there's some updates on the floors coming very soon, very soon. And this is how everything is looking at the moment. I do like this space a lot better. It does have a better flow about it. And we are going to also handle those lights very quickly. Thank you for stopping by. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.